In today's video, we are going to discuss about the notifications. So, you can track the vehicles from your Android or iOS application as well as from the web page from your laptop as well. So, you will be getting the notification in your mobile phone itself. If you want to check the notifications from the web page, simply you have to click on this bell icon here. After login to your user panel, click the bell icon here. You will be getting the notifications likewise. So like this, you can check parked notifications for this particular vehicle. So all the notifications you will be getting in mobile and in web page as well. Parked, ignition, idle and alarm notifications. Thanks for watching.